I would like to introduce the first team, Vidrovr from Columbia University.
Thanks, Tish.
Hello, I'm Dan Morozoff, and I'm joined on stage with Joe Ellis. As all of you guys probably know here already, video is everywhere. But something that you might not realize is the sheer amount of video content that's being generated every day. Each one of you here is a video creator because you have a smartphone device in your pocket. On top of that, video is an incredibly lucrative commodity for businesses. Not only for media companies, but for all businesses to engage their customers, to sell their brands, and then to sell their products. But a lot of these people are ending up feeling like this guy. And the reason is, video is incredibly hard to work with. It's not just text or image. It's a combination of both. And on top of that, the infrastructure and the engineering required to both process and disseminate video is quite robust. So I'm not just telling you this. We spoke to over 150 companies in various domains ranging from TV channels, broadcasters, news organizations, sports teams, and government agencies, all of whom are having this problem working with video. And what they do is they basically hire thousands of people to annotate their content manually. Now, on top of that, they also get their creative individuals, like their journalists or videographers, spending time annotating content simply because non-discoverable content is of less value, and discoverability is key for the bottom line. Now, this isn't just a tagging problem. This is an entire video workflow problem. We've talked to producers and editors who spend hours a day trying to link content into their larger digital offerings. Now, when you think about it in summary, this is what most people feel like when it comes to data, especially video data. They're in the thick of the storm, and they're seeing this huge wave of data coming, and it's just not solvable. Manual solutions just don't scale well. So you're probably asking yourselves, what can we do? If manual is either too expensive, too time-consuming, or just like gets people doing stuff that they're not really interested in doing in terms of like creative professionals, is there a better way? And some of you might be thinking, yeah, we've seen a lot of machine learning and kind of deep learning applications in this field. Could we build something like this? Hopefully not this guy, but something that can provide the semi-autonomous and autonomous solutions to process video and solve the video workflow problems. That's what we do. And I'm going to let Joe tell you a little bit more about our exact products and who we are.
Awesome. Thanks, Dan. I'm Joe Ellis, and I'm from Vidrovr, and we believe that we're the company to solve this problem. We've seen firsthand the pain points that large news media and media companies here in New York City are having with video, and that's the first target customer and the first place that we're looking to do our solutions in. We are both PhD students from Columbia University along with our advisor, and while we're at Columbia, we built machine learning, computer vision, and intelligent system solutions that both understand video but critically link that video to relevant content online. Columbia patented those technologies, and that is the back end and backbone of the Vidrovr platform. And I'll detail exactly what we do. So first and foremost, we make a video searchable and discoverable. Let's take an example. So for example, for news videos, we can tell you things like who is actually on screen at a particular point in time, what the graphics are telling you about that segment of the screen, or particularly what is appearing on screen. What's really nice about this capability that we've built is it's time aligned. So we can find those very small, granular, relevant pieces of clips, which are gold when you're trying to link them to your content. But we know that a simply metadata solution is not an end-user product. So we're using this metadata that we're building to completely automate your workflow, either semi-autonomously or completely autonomously. For example, imagine that you are an editor trying to publish a digital article. We can just highlight the text and link to all of the videos within your particular collection. These videos have already been segmented and clipped. You can click on the video that you want to see, go into more granular information of the video, like who's on screen, what's appearing on screen, and information like that. We also link that content out to other parts of the web, like social media, which you'll see down here. After you kind of take a look at the video, understand this is exactly what you want, you can move forward, embed that content directly into your web page, and publish. We've taken over 2,000 hours of television video, crawled through it completely automatically, and published your content in under 40 seconds. That's the type of automation that we want to bring to your companies. And finally, we're also building completely autonomous solutions for publishing your videos and providing actionable insights. For example, we can understand based on our metadata and the timing within those videos, ways to build intelligent video applications, things like topic-based streams, possibly video personalization, or video summarization techniques, so that you can take your content directly from video collection to the end user absolutely seamlessly. But to do all this, we need your help. We're currently running pilot programs, and we're looking for interested companies that would also like to join for trialing our solutions and software. We're actively hiring for machine learning and business development expertise, and if you're interested, please come and find us. We're demoing outside. And finally, we're looking for funding to help accelerate our growth. We're Vidrovr, and if you want to know more, please reach out to me, contact@vidrovr.com. Thanks.